Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are out in the town of Watervliet and we decided to check out this really cool park. I usually go walking here once in a while, but I didn't have time to actually ever record it, so here we are today. So this is the Town of Colony Schuyler Flatts Cultural Park, and it's weird. I'm not sure if it's technically in the town of Colony, but it's actually, the address is in Watervliet, which you'll see in the label I displayed. But yeah, we took a little walk out here. It's right on Broadway, so it's about 10 minutes north of Albany. Pretty easy to get to. A lot of people walk their dogs out here. A lot of people just go take a nice little walk. Really cool today. We're gonna see how it is once I get out on the other side next to the Hudson River and the highway. Pretty wild, but yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video, enjoy the views. You'll get my take on it once we get out there, and we'll see you later on. It's definitely windy out here right now. Go check that out. You can probably see tears running down my eyes. Because it's so cold. We're going to turn this around right here. Garage over here, commercial garage, commercial lots. Some cool stuff over here, a lot of plows. Towing. That's about it for today. It's like I said, it's pretty cold out here. It always gets windy, but you know, it's a good dog park. It's a good park for anybody in general just looking to come out, get some exercise, do 3, 4, 5 laps, 10, whatever you want. But you know, it's not too bad. They paved it. It's the first day of snow this year, and not paved. It's the first day of snow this year, and You know, they plowed it and everything, so if you're ever out this way and you want to go for a walk somewhere, definitely come out here. It's not a bad little spot. All right, we'll see you in the next one.